Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2023 Lexus UX300H. Comes equipped with a 2-liter 4-cylinder hybrid with a CVT transmission. Other ways included such as premium leather, heated and ventilated seats, as well as a heated steering wheel, power sliding sunroof, navigation, Apple Carplay and Android Auto, drive mode selector, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this two-tone black and light gray interior with paneling coupled with storage at the bottom, next to speakers, power windows and locks with chrome accent. And these power adjustable, heated and ventilated bucket seats with side bolsters, super comfortable. Left side you'll have your vents and as well as your odometer control. And left side here you're going to have your odometer clutch control with voice recognition, and the right side being lane keep assist, cruise control, and gap adjuster. And for the odometer you can access pretty much all you need from adaptive cruise, from your gauges, as well as your fuel economy and navigation there. Top, you're going to have the drive mode selector, of course with the wipers there. It's going to be push to start, and onto the infotainment. So you're going to have AM, FM, Sirius XM, as well as Bluetooth connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Here you can access your driving assist with lane departure, proactive driving assist, as well as your cross traffic. You also have your energy flow to access that hybrid or EV power. Below you're going to have the dual zone climate controls, pretty straightforward, with 2 USB ports and some storage, a cup holders and shifters, with your heated ventilated seats and heated steering wheel. Down below you're going to have your EV mode with the auto hold. In here some extra console storage with a USB and a 12 volt. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable as well, black and gray all the way across. And then here you can access your reading lamps, power sliding sunroof, and your SOS. So you get these 18-inch wheels on Bridgestone Turanza tires with the paint match mirror caps. You're gonna have that F Sport badging, paint match keyless entry door handles, black luggage side rail up top with that two-tone finish. That's the back. You're gonna have the 60/40 rear folding split seats with floor liners, as well as extra storage down below. It's a pretty spacious rear. And moving on to the rear interior, power windows with the speakers again there, chrome accents. Hop to the back, pretty good legroom, storage behind the passenger side with rear ventilation, rear USB-C ports, cup holder and armrest right in the center, handles on the side, and lamps up top. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2023 Lexus UX300H, equipped with a 2-liter 4-cylinder hybrid, as well as leather heated and ventilated seats, power sliding sunroof, adaptive cruise control, rear cross traffic, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.